Okay, Assalamualaikum. So, petang ni kita akan membincangkan buku Oring bagi kertas 2, bahagian B dan C. Hari ni kita tengok pada tajuk Haba atau heat. Okay, kita mulakan dengan skill yang pertama, that is understanding. Okay, first question. You are representing the country in carrying out a research project on the weather at the North Pole. The surrounding temperature is between minus 40 degrees Celsius to minus 8 degrees Celsius. One item of the equipment to be taken for your research is a thermometer. Okay, so first question, state the principle used in the liquid glass thermometer. Okay, the answer is thermal equilibrium or keseimbangan terma. Okay, the next question is, state how a liquid glass thermometer can be used to measure the body temperature of a sick person. Explain heat transfer that take place at each stage of measurement. Okay, so ini ada 4 markah. So bila sebut how, you have to explain from the beginning to the end. Okay, you have to specify where you put the thermometer. So first point is you put thermometer under the tongue or armpit. Okay, so this is a clinical thermometer. Second point, what happened? Heat flows or transfer from the patient body to the thermometer, and then until thermal equilibrium is reached atau achieved, and the temperature of thermometer equal temperature of the patient body. Okay, suhu thermometer sama dengan suhu badan pesakit. Jadi kita ambil bacaan thermometer menunjukkan bacaan suhu badan pesakit. Okey, itu soalan pertama. Okey, kita lihat pula soalan yang kedua. Diagram shows a metal block M of mass 500 gram heated in boiling water of temperature 100 degrees Celsius for a long time. The metal block M is then quickly transferred into 200 gram of water at 30 degrees Celsius in a polystyrene cup. The water is stirred until thermal equilibrium is achieved. Okay, so this is a block M. Okay, put inside the boiling water and then take out and put inside water in a polystyrene cup, right? Okay, so first question, what is the meaning of thermal equilibrium? Okay, so two bodies are said to be in thermal equilibrium when the net heat flow between the two bodies is 0 and both bodies are at the same temperature. Okay, explain in terms of thermal equilibrium how a thermometer which is placed into the boiling water reads at the temperature of 100 degrees Celsius. I think this question same with the first question, but in this question you have boiling water and you put the thermometer in the boiling water of temperature 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, I think the first point is haba ataupun heat flows from hot water to thermometer, and then until it achieves thermal equilibrium. Temperature of water is the same as temperature shown by the thermometer. No net heat flows. Okay. Dan tiada haba bersih mengalir keluar. Okay. Question number 4. What is meant by specific latent heat of vaporization? Okay. So the quantity of heat required to change 1 kg of substance from liquid to gas without change in temperature. Haba diperlukan untuk menukarkan 1 kg bahan dari cecair ke gas tanpa perubahan suhu. Okay, the question in your book. Explain why someone who is sweating feels cool when he is under a rotating fan. Okay, kenapa seorang yang berpeluh merasa sejuk apabila berada di bawah kipas yang berputar? Jadi markah pertama, sweat is being evaporated. Okay, peluh menyejat. Specific of vaporization of water is absorbed from the body. Jadi haba pendam tutup penguapan air diserap dari badan untuk menyejat pada permukaan kulit. Yang ketiga, air movement velocity increase. Laju gerakan udara bertambah bila ada kipas, maka angin akan ada, jadi akan mempercepatkan lagi proses penyejatan. So evaporation rate increases ataupun kadar penjejatan bertambah. Okey, so 4 markah situ ya. Okay, next question. Diagram shows the sea breeze phenomena. Okay, explain how the sea breeze phenomena occurs during the daytime. Okay, so this is the picture of the coconut tree and the sun is during the daytime. Okay, first question. The land has lower specific heat capacity. Darat mempunyai muatan haba tentu yang rendah compare with sea water. Right? So land get hot faster than sea water. So darat lebih cepat panas dari air laut. So this is the land. And then hot air above land rises up and produce low pressure region. So kawasan sini udara panas akan naik ke atas dan meninggalkan kawasan yang bertekanan rendah. Therefore cool air from the sea move to the land. Dan udara sejuk dari laut bergerak ke darat, maknanya dari kawasan tekanan tinggi di laut pergi ke kawasan bertekanan rendah di atas darat. Jadi ini menyebabkan ada bayu laut. Udara bergerak daripada laut ke udara yang sejuk daripada laut bergerak ke darat. Okey. Kita teruskan dengan soalan kelima. Lemonade can be cooled by adding ice cube into it. Give an explanation based on the above statement. So lemonade, you have lemonade by adding ice cube. Okay, first question. The first point is you have to mention that. Okay, ice melt. So ice melt solid to liquid or fusion. Ais melebur daripada perpecahan ke cair. Okay. Second point, the heat absorbed. Okay, heat is absorbed from the lemonade to ice ataupun heat flow to ice. Third point, kinetic energy decreases. Tenaga kinetik air lemonade berkurang. So the temperature will decrease. Suhu akan berkurang and the lemonade will be cool. Okay. Right, question 6. Explain why the size of an air bubble at the base of a lake increases as it moves toward the surface. Okay, 4 marks. Okay, so first one. As the air bubble rises, the depth decreases. Okay, as the air bubble rises, the depth decreases. So bila gelombang udara naik ke atas, kedalamannya berkurang. Sebab soalan di sini dia kata apa? As it move toward the surface. So we have to mention from the bottom of the lake towards the surface of the lake. Right. So as the air bubble rises, the depth decreases. Okay. Next point. So the pressure will decrease. Yes. And the pressure directly proportional to depth. Okay. You talk about the relationship between depth and pressure. Okay. Next point. So when pressure decrease, the volume increase, or this is equivalent to Boyle's law, hukum Boyle. So pressure inversely proportional to volume. Alright. Okay, so this is how you get the marks for this question. Okay, question 7. Diagram 11 shows the air pressure in the tire of a car being measured by a pressure gauge. So based on the kinetic theory of gases, explain why the air pressure in the tire increases after the car has completed a long journey. Okay, so first you have to know which law involved in this question. So the law is, I think this is what pressure law, right? So when temperature increases, the average kinetic energy increase. Okay? So why did the temperature increase? Because when the car is moving, there is frictional force between the tire and the road. So the temperature will rise up due to the frictional force. So apabila suhu bertambah, tenaga kinetik purata bertambah. Okay, point yang kedua, you talk about the rate of collision between the air molecules and wall of the tire also increases. Ataupun kadar pelanggaran antara molekul udara dengan dinding tire juga bertambah. Point yang ketiga, rate of change of momentum increases. So we talk about the impulsive force here. Okay, this is the impulsive force also increase, and therefore when the force increase, force exerted per unit area also increase, so the air pressure increase. If we know that force per unit area is equivalent to pressure, so when the force increase, so the air pressure also will increase, and so the pressure will increase. The pressure in the tire will increase. So this is the pressure law. Okay. Okay, last question. Question 8. Diagram 9.3 shows a dented ping pong ball is placed in hot water. Diagram 9.4 shows the ping pong ball reverted to its original spherical shape after a few minutes. Explain how the ping pong ball reverted to its original spherical shape. Okay, so what we have here is hot water. Hot water is relate to temperature. And then this is the dented shape. This is the original shape. So this involves the volume, right? Volume of the ball. Okay, so this is going to be Charles' law. Charles' law means temperature directly proportional to volume, where the pressure is constant. Okay, so the first mark. So when temperature increase, the average kinetic energy increases. Apabila suhu bertambah, tenaga kinetik purata bertambah. Point yang kedua, rate of collision between the air molecules and wall of the ball also increases. So when temperature increase, bila suhu meningkat, kadar pelanggaran antara molekul udara dengan dinding bola juga bertambah. Jadi, in this case, the pressure must kept constant, tapi tekanan udara dalam perlu dimalarkan kerana kita nakkan kadar pelanggaran sama. Jadi apa yang berlaku ialah the ball expand to increase the volume of the gas. So bola mengembang untuk meningkatkan isi padu udara. So akibatnya bola akan kembali kepada bentuk asalnya. So ini adalah hukum Charles. Okey, kita berhenti dulu di sini untuk kemahiran ataupun skill kefahaman or understanding.